Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you how you guys can log in into your MBNA account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for MBNA login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says mbna.ca, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it'll bring you to its official page of MBNA Bank. Over here, you can see this option called login. If you don't see it over here, you can click on the option at the top. Once you do that, it'll take you to the login page of MBNA Bank. Now, once you reach its login page, you need to provide the detail it asks you. So over here, the detail it's asking for is over here. As you guys can see, my login name. So I will enter my login name, and where it says password, I will enter the password of my account and click on login. Once I do that, I should be able to log in into my MBNA Bank. And if I forgot my password or username, I can click on this to recover it as well. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step for future videos like this.